Please stand by for an important message from station KIH 35.
Weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, central Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, northwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 10:45 p.m. At 10:04 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists and trained storm spotters were tracking a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado near Coraopolis, or 9 miles west of Pittsburgh, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Boone Township around 10:09 p.m., Robinson Township at around 10:15 p.m., downtown Pittsburgh at 10:20 p.m., Monroeville at 10:35 p.m. This includes the following Interstate 376 between mile markers 55 and 85. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.